Hey, sweetheart, are you having fun with your new toy? That was from Grandma and Grandpa. Are you having fun? Where are you? There you are. Trying to get it? Trying to get it? Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Oh, and look at those little toes down there. Look at you go. Oh, yeah. Bang and crash. Bang and crash. Look at this face. Look at that happy little guy. Oh, so much fun. Oh, and from a distance, he's standing up. You can see him standing up. Yeah, look at that. Oh, some bounces. There's some good bounces. Whoa. Okay, say hi to Grandpa and Grandma. Say hello. Oh, he's working too hard. He's too busy to say hello. There are things to do. Okay, bye-bye, Grandma and Grandpa.